So we're just at his first pickup at One Stop, collecting 3 bags tonight. This is the first one. Just in Waitrose, and she says I'm in for a treat. Hi, welcome back to another video, another Too Good To Go video. And as you've seen, we've picked 3 different orders up from 3 different places. Gonna do the One Stop order first. I think, if I remember correctly, it's $2.99 for the bag. And if there's a little white square in my glasses, it's one of these fancy lamps. It's because it's nearly 10 o'clock at night and we're now heading towards autumn, aren't we? And there's no longer any bloody natural lighting. So, One Stop bag. Let's see what we've got. Right, so first off, we've got some Warburton's bagels. I like a Warburton bagel with jam. Warburton bagel with jam, girl. And sticking with the Warburton theme, we've got a Warburton loaf of bread. Very good, very good. Oh, and we've got some poppadoms. Oh. A bar of caramel. Has anybody tried this? Do you think that they're trying to do their own version of Caramac? I feel that they are. I think one of the kids have tried it, and I think they're trying to do Caramac. Will it ever work? I don't know. Caramac's quite iconic. Oh, an angel layer cake. Very nice, very nice. Some chicken slices. I've not had anything like this in the house for like maybe 20 years, 18 years. A ham and cheddar baguette. Now, I had one of these the other day. I took the ham out because I don't eat it. And I did throw it in the bin, in all fairness. But it was during heat wave and my brain weren't working properly. So this time, I'll take the ham out, make Drew a ham sandwich, and I'll have this because it was really, really nice. If you've got a One Stop and you want a cheese and ham sandwich, go and try one. It's right nice. A sausage roll. Oh, we're still going. Oh, some vegetables. I have to boil these though. I can't put them in the microwave. I'm still old fashioned. I've got to put them in a pan. Cauliflower cheese. Now, I might freeze this because we do a lot of cauliflower cheese in the winter with Sunday lunches. And some more chicken sandwich meat stuff. So hopefully the kids will like it, but if not, we'll see what we can do with it. So yeah, lots and lots of stuff from One Stop. Again, a really, really good bag. Swipe it all over. Hopefully you can't see it. And then we're moving on to Waitrose. Now, so far, these Waitrose bags have been absolutely brilliant, haven't they? So what we've got today. Tuna, mayo and sweet corn sandwich. Nice full sandwich. So I'm going to be spoilt for choice now. Am I going to have that ham and cheese baguette, or am I going to have this tuna and mayo sandwich? Maybe Neve will have this. She likes tuna. Another fish pie. Now, if you've seen a previous video, you know that I got 2 of these, and we don't really eat fish. Definitely not fish pie. So my mate had them, and she sent me a picture. She said they were beautiful. So £6 though. £6 for a fish pie. It's a lot, isn't it? Maybe it isn't. It's just because I don't buy fish. What we got here? Chicken. Is it satay? Satay? Satay with sweet chilli sauce. My kids like these. You know, let me open it up. You know those little chicken bits on sticks that if they got stuck in your throat they'd kill you? Yeah, my kids like those. got? Raspberry jelly with raspberries in. Two croissants, chocolate and hazelnut. Garlic, mushroom and fresh spinach pizza. Me likes me some pizza. It's got, let me read it you out. Pizza base topped with spinach white sauce, mozzarella, sauteed chestnut mushrooms, vegetarian medium fat hard cheese and fresh spinach. Sounds nice. Oops, what's this? Pulled beef and bulgur wheat salad. I mean, I've cocked it up a bit carrying it like that, but can you see that? Pulled beef. There you go, look. I don't know whether you can see it properly. I don't know that light will be reflected. Mind you, to be honest, it's not much to look at because it's all messed up. Oh, geez. Double dipper, ham, egg and chips. What the hell? What is this? Boiled quail's eggs. Never had a quail egg. With a smoked bacon mayo and potato crisps. Smell that bloody fish pie. Have you had a quail egg? Never had any. It makes me feel sick actually, the word quail egg. Let me show you what we've got. I can cover it up. Right, so we've got that, that's it. Dining room stinks. Jesus, what is in it? Why does it smell so bad? I don't think it's off. I think it's that bloody fish pie. There's no reason why it should. No. I think it's that fish pie. It's leaked on it. I tell you, I'm no good with fish. Yeah, bag stinks now. And then got this in as Waitrose bag. Egg fried rice, chicken chow mein, beef and black bean sauce, sweet chow and sweet. Start again. Sweet and sour chicken and 4 vegetable spring rolls. Cool. Was £13. This bag from Waitrose was a £5. What can I say? Deal or no deal? Definitely a deal. Can't say any more, can I? They are good bags, both shops. And both shops are like, well, one's a minute drive, other one's about a 7-minute drive, 6-minute drive. Depends on what time of day you go. When we go, it's like motorway's clear. Fingers crossed. Brilliant bags, brilliant bags. Now I'm going to pass you over to past Joanne because I've already at the carvery. And I'll show you the carvery that we got from StoneHouse Carvery. Okay, so it's about 9:15 and we just got back from collecting us 2 good to goes. And we are starting with the carvery, StoneHouse Carvery, simply because it's nice and hot and we want to eat it because we've not had any dinner because we was waiting for this. So let me show you what we've got. Okay, so I'm voicing this over because our kitchen was that noisy. It would not have been fair on your ears. So as you can see, we've got Yorkshire pudding, got some sweet corn and carrots and well-cooked sausage, some lamb, some gammon, mashed potato, thick gravy. And the other one is exactly the same, but you get to see the carrots underneath. Oh, and look, you can get to see the roast potatoes. Got 2 different coloured carrots there. Carveries are moving up in the world. And here's what it looks like on his plates. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Now, I don't think I'll get a carvery from there again. It were okay, and it were, I think they were $3.29 each. We got 2. But Darren enjoyed it. Neve enjoyed it. As you saw, we've done it between 3 people. But yeah, no, not me, not me. If anybody's watching and they don't know what a carvery is, can't speak tonight. Carvery is, in England, a carvery is like, probably in Scotland as well. In the UK, a carvery is a little bit of a tradition now. It's in restaurants where, and they just, sometimes they actually have just carvery restaurants, and you can go in and it's cheaper than ordering off a menu, and it's there. You don't have to wait. It's like buffet style. Go and put your own stuff on, get your meat, you get your Yorkshire puddings, you get your vegetables and your gravy, and that's it, job done. I don't know what the average price is. I think maybe, what is it, £6, £6.50. This was £3.29, so half price. We didn't choose it. I just went in and it was all set up for us. Job done. So yeah, I wouldn't have it again, but Darren enjoyed it. There you go. We've all got different taste buds, haven't we? My fingers stink. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you're all well, and I will see you next time. Take care.